Struggling with slow network speeds? Upgrading to 10GBASE-T might be the answer, but choosing the right cable is crucial. Let's break down your options. From Cat6 to Cat8. For 10GBE, Cat6 can work, but only up to 55 meters and at a lower frequency of 250 mm. Cat6a is the superior choice, supporting 10GBE up to the full 100 meters with a 500 MHz frequency. This is thanks to its tighter twists and better construction, which significantly reduce crosstalk. You might also see Cat7 and Cat8 cables. While Cat7 offers heavy shielding, it's not a recognized TIA standard for commercial use. Cat8, however, is a data center powerhouse. It boasts a massive 2 GHz frequency, perfect for short-distance, high-speed 25G or 40G connections up to 30 meters. So what's the verdict? For future-proofing your office and achieving reliable 10GBE to the desktop, Cat6a is your best bet. For high-performance, short-range data center links, Cat8 is the professional standard.